to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
Leonardo, Michelangelo, Donatello. Can you remember these 3 Ninja Turtle eggs? Then take one away. Which is missing? Michelangelo! Yeah, dude! Great eye. Now for some Teenage Mutant Ninja fun. Little Leonardo! Pop! Mikey, shake, shake, shake! Cowabunga! Where's the pizza? Yeah! Donnie! Shake, shake, shake! Pop! Donatello! Chase! Marshall! Sky! Can you remember these 3 Paw Patrol eggs? Then take one away. Which is missing? Chase! Uh-huh. Chase is on the case. Now let's crack open some paw fun. Paw Patrol! It's Zuma! Shake, shake, shake! Rocky 2! Sky, shake, shake, shake! Pop! Robo! Catboy! Owlette! Gecko! Can you remember these 3 PJ Masks eggs? Then take one away. Which is missing? It's Gecko! Yep! Alright, superheroes, let's crack open the fun. Catboy! Pop! And it's a stamp. Shake, shake, shake! Pop! The gang's all here! Shake, shake, shake! Pop! Yeah, 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 yeah! Gecko! Yeah! Hulk! Captain America! Iron Man! Can you remember these 3 superhero eggs? Let's take one away! Which is missing? Hulk! Hulk smash! Surprise crash! Let's Hulk it up! Shake, 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 pop! Captain America! Iron, shake, 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 pop! Stop! It's Iron Man! Great job!
School's out!
A+ good time! Learning is big fun! So click here for some more colorful learning adventures. Or click here for the fun lessons we love best. Click here and subscribe to join Big Mouth Academy.